Welcome back to Party Slayers. Sisa rewind. Mushuto utwela pili. Remember, Party Slayers is all about groove culture. Whether siguma soul, siguma piano, siguma skandi, but Tina will be there. Puti, how are you?
Mamela, I'm fabulous.
You are fabulous.
I'm fantabulous.
This is a Women's Day. Ufuna ukuthini embokotweni? Yeah.
One thing engayisho ne.
Uh-huh.
Ukuthi abo men must. Siyanithanda abo mama.
Yeah.
Manje niyasibulela ngabo men must. Men must. But maraferi azini.
Yeah.
There are women beautiful today.
Yeah.
Women are beautiful today. Mamela. And Mamela bawinisile wena ne. Bawinisile wena ngubonile. Bonke bebaqualify laba. Ya mara know what? Ngingasajoki ne. Abo mama siyanithanda.
Yeah.
Siyanithanda. Noma ningayenza niye kuphi nenzeni sohlale senithanda. And sizonivikela.
Yeah.
Not all men are trash. Not all men are trash. There's guys like us esinithandayo esizonilwela sinivikele sinondle sinisebenzele.
Yes.
Understand?
I like that part.
So protect iy'ngane zenu, abantwana benu nabantu. No, mara yazi nithi ngasakhuluma lo sisinayo seyangijamile lo. Ngiyadlala. But big up to the mothers. Big up to our mama today. We love you guys. We respect you. We're not all trash.
Yeah.
We are there for you.
Yeah. They are here for us. Bayasithanda mara ngithande le part makathi bazosisebenzela basiphe imali. Sivala lapho.
Mamela. Ipha umama imali.
Exactly.
Umama akaphiwe imali bafethu.
Yeah.
No. That's for no reason.
Yeah.
Mama na imali. Eyani na imali.
Yes.
Mama thatha imali man, thatha imali. Azokwazi umama naye akwazi ukuthi athenge igrocer, akwazi ukuklina indlu, akwazi ukuthi yazeni kube right endlini. Uma ubuye emsebenzini ukuwoma, uyabona kuthudu. Abantwana baye crash banuka amakhwapha banuke man mamela. So if we give women money, women they take care of home.
Yes.
Simple as that.
Simple.
Now uyambona naye. Now uyambona naye. If mangabe ngingamniki imali uzonika ubani?
Ne?
Uyayibona lento leyo.
Guys, sipheni imali.
Ilana bomama imali.
Party Slayers ithi sipheni imali.
I know.